What is going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and I just want to quickly put this company on your radar. You need to have it on your watch list going into this trading week because it's in one of the hottest sectors on the market right now, which is the lithium battery mining space. And if you've been following how the companies in this sector have been doing recently, this is definitely one that hasn't taken off quite yet. Companies like ABML, which is currently up over 1,376%. Again, this is a company that I put on the radar of my Discord, and we made some incredible gains. Another company within this sector that I alerted my Discord to early February was Global Battery Metals. Ticker symbol is REZZF. And as you can see, it had a crazy run up to 462%, and which it's currently had a bit of a sell-off. But I think this company still has potential. However, we are not talking about Global Battery Metals in this video. We are talking about Vision Lithium Inc. Ticker symbol again is ABEPF. However, as you can see on Friday, this company did have a harsh sell-off. However, some news came out recently regarding this company, which I think has had some time to filter over the weekend, and I think will have a positive impact on the share price of this company in this coming week. Okay, so in this video, we'll be looking at what Vision Lithium as a company, what they do. We'll be looking at the team that actually manage and direct this company. So we're looking at the board of directors, the management team. We'll be looking at some of their projects that they have currently in the works. Again, we'll take a look at this news, which I think is incredible for the company. We'll take a look at the share price and identify key support and resistance levels. However, if you're already a part of my Discord, then you already know that we are already eating, because I alerted my Discord members that I'd started buying and my fill position was 0.32, and a lot of us are already up quite a lot in our position. And I also shared on the 10th of February my buy thesis for this company. I highlighted the pros and the cons of this company. So we'll cover all of that in this voiceover. I hope you appreciate it. But if you do want to be a part of my Discord community to get the inside scoop of all the stocks on my watch list, all of my positions as I'm buying and selling them, then you need to join my Discord group. The Patreon link is in the description below, and guess what, guys, it will cost you the same price as a Marks and Sparks meal deal. So definitely check us out. It's worth it. It's worth every penny, in my opinion. Now, taking a look at Vision Lithium, okay, and Vision Lithium is a junior exploration company focused on exploring and developing high quality battery mineral assets, including lithium and copper, in safe jurisdictions, primarily in Canada. So unlike ABML, Vision Lithium is primarily based in Canada. The company is led by skilled and qualified mineral exploration and business professionals with a deep understanding of the lithium battery materials market, which is driven by lithium ion batteries. Okay, so speaking of the people that run this company, let's take a look at their board of directors. So you have the president and the CEO, and he's a graduate of the University of Quebec in Earth Sciences and brings 35 years of experience in the mining, exploration and development business. He was named the president and the CEO of the company back in March 2007. So again, he's been in position for about 14 years. Throughout his career, Mr. Ruggiere, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Forgive me. I tried to ignore it earlier on, but he's worked for several companies, including Arevera, AUR Resources, and has spent the last 20 years with ABE Group. Okay, so again, very experienced. He says here that he played a significant role in the exploration and development of phases of the AUR Resources, Lovecourts, CUVNAGAU, wow, mine. But essentially, he has a ton of experience, okay? And moving down the list, the executive chairman as well, Mr. Contore, has been involved in the lithium industry through his role as capital markets advisor to Nemaska Lithium since 2011. Again, you have the director, Mr. Robert Bryce. He's an MBA graduate of the University of Toronto, so again in Canada, and of Western University MBA, with more than 50 years of practical and executive mining experience at all levels. So these guys are pretty much goats in this industry. Okay, so when I saw this, I really did like the leadership. I like the experience of the board of directors, and this put this company on my radar. Now, looking at their current projects, they have 4 main projects in the work. They have the New Brunswick Properties project. They have the Cermak project. They have the Dome. I think that's French, isn't it? Dome. They have the Dome Le Meur. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. But again, they have that in the works, and they have the St. Stephen's. St. Stephen's projects in the works. So these are currently on the go. And it says here regarding the Brunswick project, Vision Lithium has acquired 100% undivided interest in the Red Brook, epithermal and Benjamin mineral exploration properties from 92487792 Quebec Inc. Okay, moving on to the Cermak. It says here the Cermak property consists of 24 mining claims having a total area of approximately 1,100 hectares, located approximately 180 kilometers northwest of Chebourg-Gamor. So again, these are all very, very good to see. And looking at the dome, as you can see, it covers a wide area of land for the exploration and for the mining of lithium and copper. And lastly, you have the St. Stephen's, which is a property located northwest of the town of St. Stephen, New Brunswick, near the international border of Calais, Maine, USA. So as you can see, they highlighted the project locations and the geology of that land. But the reason why I'm bringing this to your attention is that these guys are active, okay? They already have current ongoing projects. They have a solid leadership and board of directors, as we have seen, and I really like what these guys are doing. Of course, they're in a hot sector right now. Now, news dropped on February the 11th regarding Vision Lithium. So the headline was Vision Lithium produces 99.9% pure LiCO from Cermak. So again, that's their Cermak project. Okay, so this is great news coming from their current project in Cermak right now. So the news article says Vision Lithium announced on Thursday it had produced lithium carbonate grading 99.9% derived from its lithium concentrate made from its flagship Cermak property at SGS Canada Inc. Lakeside Laboratory. And the CEO released a statement where he said this is a significant step in providing a battery grade lithium carbonate, can be made from lithium ore taken from the Cermak project. It's an important technical milestone for any lithium company to show the full value chain is technically achievable. So this is very, very positive news. And remember, they still have the New Brunswick and they also have the St. Stephen's. Okay, so this is fantastic news that came out from their current ongoing project in Cermak. And this has made me even more bullish in this company. So I'll be honest, it initially started out as a swing trade, which it still is, but it's going to be a multi-month swing trade for me. But this news made me even more bullish. So let's take a look at my buy thesis. Here's what I told my Discord. On the 10th of February, I put this company on the watch list for my Discord members. Again, I read through their financial report, which I will say their financial report is terrible, okay? The story and the fundamentals behind this company, and again, it is in a hot sector, it does make sense. As you can see here, I highlighted to my Discord members that they had accumulated a debt deficit that now exceeds $38 million, and they are not generating any net income or cash flow. So from the financial statement, there was a direct statement which says, given that the company has not yet determined whether its mineral properties contain mineral deposits that are economically recoverable, the company has not yet generated income nor cash flow from its operation. As at the 30th of November 2020, the company has accumulated $38.25 million in debt. These material uncertainties cast significant doubt regarding the company's ability to continue as a going concern. The company's ability to continue as a going concern is dependent on its ability to raise additional funding to further explore its mineral properties and continued support of suppliers and creditors. I also told my members that the risk is insanely high, but after today's 400% run, investors could care less about the fundamentals, the financials, and the fact that the company is really just using them to raise capital, which is true. I suspect a further offering is imminent, but there's no denying it's in a hot sector right now, and it's very likely to have a run similar to REZZF from last week. LLKF, which is Lake Resources, that's another company that I was interested in, still remains restricted, so I'll be watching ABEPF closely for a small speculation play. By no means does this company warrant a significant investment, and that was me erring on the side of caution, because like I highlighted to my members, it is in a hot sector. It does have a lot of potential, but they are on the verge of pretty much bankruptcy. Okay, they have accumulated $38 million in debt, which is a ton. Okay, that's a lot of debt that they've managed to accumulate over the years, and that's a huge red flag. Okay, that's a huge red flag. So when I put these companies on the watch list of my Discord members, I want to highlight the pros, and I also want to highlight the cons, so that we are aware before we make an investing decision. So like I mentioned, I alerted my Discord members that I had started a position on the 10th of February, and eventually I got filled at 0.32. So let's move on to the charts. So the yellow line represents my entry point, and as you can see from my entry point and from a lot of my Discord members, we are currently now up 45% on our position. Okay, so that's a nice amount of gains within 2 days. Okay, now more importantly, where do I think this company is going? So as you can see, this price point of 44 cents served as resistance. It was resistance on the 10th of February, to which the price rebounded off, and eventually tested again on the 10th of February right before close, and then closed lower. But as you can see, on the 11th of February, price gapped up, which was incredible to see. Everyone in the Discord was lit because we got in around 32. Price gapped up, it ran up crazy to 74 cents. I mean, I was up well over 100% in my position by that point. But as you can see, price pulled back, and then it started to set a new level of resistance, which it tried to break again here. And by 2:30, again, that's US time, it retested it here, only to pull back and then settle at this support level from the 10th of February. Now, like I said, this company has some incredible news out regarding one of their projects, their Cermak project, and I think over the weekend this news is probably now filtered out, which will make a lot of investors bullish on this company, I believe. Again, it's in a hot sector. So what do I expect? I expect the price to open, if let's assume that the price doesn't gap up and it opens at this level. If the overall market sentiment for the week, this trading week, is bullish, I do see price pulling up to the upside and then retesting our previous level of resistance. And if it does break that level of resistance, then our next level that we need to break was obviously our all-time high at 74 cents. If the overall market sentiment going into the new trading week is bearish, then of course I do see price retesting this support level, and if it does test it too many times, of course it will break through, and then it's got the 30 cent support level to deal with. But so if you do want to take this play on, if you do your research and you like what you see regarding this company, and let's just assume the share price opens at this level, then a good idea would be to set your stop loss just below 30 cents. Again, what would that be? Let's assume we open up there. That would represent about a 30% loss. I don't personally use stop losses because I am bullish on, I do think this company has potential based on the news that came out last week. So I have invested money that I am prepared to lose in this company. Like I said, they're pretty much on the verge of bankruptcy, and the market will help them raise enough capital, I believe, if they do a public offering or a direct offering, if they get interest from institutions. But they probably won't because they are an OTC stock. It's most likely going to be a direct offering, but I am bullish on this company. But again, that's my risk tolerance. You may feel comfortable with a stop loss. If a 30% stop loss is a bit too steep, then you might want to raise it up to about maybe 39 or maybe 40 cents. Okay, that would also represent a good stop loss level, and your loss won't be that bad. You're looking at about what, a 10%, 11% loss. So, but the upside again for this company, considering the sector it's in, is massive. Again, we're looking at ABML, which is up over 1,000%. REZF, which we got in early, was up over 600%, and it's now just up over 350%. I think there's a lot of potential in Vision Lithium. So definitely put this on your watch list. Definitely do some more digging, do some more research, and yeah. But again, all of this is not financial advice. It's purely for entertainment purposes only. But if you did gain some value from this content, all I ask in return is that you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget, join us in the Discord group. We would love to have you come and be a part of our investing community as we achieve our 6 and 7 figure goals for this year. So with that said, make sure you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.